Greetings, my fellow investigators. My name's Christopher Bosey, and I'm a CCAI CFI here to give you the latest of what the California Conference of Arson Investigators has in store for you. CCAI is continuing to celebrate its 70th year anniversary celebration at our next conference. So this is a save the date because you're not going to want to miss what comes next. Our next seminar and the continued 70th anniversary celebration will be taking place on October 21st through the 24th at the Embassy Suites Hotel in San Louis Obispo. Now, I can't spoil all the secrets about what's coming just yet, but I will tell you that we've lined up 2 world-class instructors for this event, and everybody should be attending. This is the kind of instruction that does not come up often, and I think that you're going to find this content incredibly useful for both the public and the private sectors. So get to checking those budgets because you can already register for your spot by logging on to arson.org or by calling the number below during business hours. I am already looking forward to this next event, and I genuinely look forward to seeing all of you there. So keep digging, investigators, and stay safe.